in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Gorgius.com. Today's unit goes by the name of Chestnut Brown Umbrella Shaped Lace Big Water Wave Wig. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Let's hop into the video. Starting off, I wanted to show you all how the unit came straight out of the box. Now, the texture of this unit was a little bit questionable at first because it was hard and crunchy, but once I washed it, it became soft again. The cap construction of this unit is your typical cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 being in the back, the other 2 being in the very front. It has adjustable straps and also a security band as well. This unit is what they consider an umbrella shaped unit, so therefore on the hairline you get about 1 inch to 2 inches worth of hair on the actual lace, and then the parting space is a U-shaped, and I want to say it's about 2 inches wide and about 3 inches long. Now, the knots on this unit weren't terrible, but I did go in and bleach them. I recorded the process, but I didn't show the process because I was out of frame the entire time. So just know you can bleach the knots of this unit. Currently, my hair is straightened because I will be doing a ponytail review for you guys right after this video. So therefore, the bun that's in the back of my head is as small as I could get it without actually braiding my hair. I used 2 stocking caps in hopes that it would smash my hair down a little bit more. But for this unit to fit on my head the way that it did fit on my head comfortably, that automatically lets me know that this unit is big head friendly. Now, I know the girls always say don't pluck in one spot because you can create a bald spot, but me personally, I wanted to create bald spots on each side of this unit, and not so they would be bald spots, but more so to try to mimic my natural hairline. With my hairline, I have a dip that kind of goes from where the edges are to where my sideburns are, so that's why I kept plucking in one spot. Now, as far as the actual hairline, the front portion of the hairline, I could have plucked more, but I'm always afraid of plucking too much because me personally, I hate the over plucked hairlines look. Also, keep in mind that I am not a professional hairstylist, and my thoughts are the more units I pluck, the better I'll get, and then I'll also figure out what I like and what works best for me. This unit was really easy to pluck though, and I will say that even though the lace was super soft, it didn't rip easily on me, which I appreciate. Now, I'm pretty sure you could wear this unit as a glueless or sprayless unit if you wanted to, but me personally, I love to spray my units down just because I want to make sure, number 1, they're not going anywhere. Number 2, I just love the way it melts into my skin when it's the right type of lace, of course. This unit did a very good job of that, giving that scalp-like appearance, especially in the parting space area. Keep in mind, I do have a black stocking cap underneath this unit, so had I put a brownish, nudish type of stocking cap underneath, I feel like it would have really given that scalp-like appearance. I said this earlier that the hair was super soft after I washed it, and I'm saying it again just to let you guys know, if you get this unit, do not put a lot of product in her. She doesn't need it whatsoever. In order to keep that really soft, fluffy look of this unit, I would say curl her or crimp her or whatever you choose to do with her, and then just run your fingers through it. I went in with a very small amount of my wax stick and my hot comb just to flatten out the roots a little bit. Speaking of curling this unit, I ended up combing out some of those big waves whenever I was using my hot comb. So obviously, because of the title of the wig or the name of the wig, I wanted it to be big and wavy. I thought that I could get those waves back by using my wand curler, and no ma'am, no ham, that was not the case. To me, it was just kind of giving. I was 7 years old getting ready for church and I wasn't having it. So then I remembered that I have a waiver, which is what I should have used in the first place. I don't know what I was thinking. But once I did a test strip of this, I realized, yeah, we're in business now. I also want to make note that this waiver was turned up to about 400 to 430 degrees, and it took no time for this unit to wave up. I did have a clip of me cutting off the lace, but again, for some reason, I was not in frame and it was extremely blurry. So I was like, I'm not even going to show them that, but I just cut it off like I always cut it off. And then I went in with my Eben spray, the black can, sprayed that on my hairline, wrapped it up again, and then this is the final look. Not gonna lie, when I first pulled this unit out of the box, I was a little bit nervous about her, but I feel like she came together very well. As you can see with the 360, even though my bun was pretty big back there in my opinion, the unit is still able to cover it and it's almost non-detectable. The chestnut brown coloring of her is very fall/winter approved. The big waves on her gives it a very fun and flirty look in my opinion. I didn't mention this earlier, but this unit is in 10 inches and it only comes in 10 inches. On Gorgius.com, this unit does retail for $160, but if you use my code TAN17, that should save you about $27, which means it would drop it down to about $133. And if you are not in the business of paying that all at one time, they do offer Klarna and Afterpay, which means you can split it up into 4 equal payments of $33.25. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up. I don't have anything else to say to you except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.